Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you link your Telegram assistant with your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget, you will get to see this button into the top left corner. Just simply tap into this button, and after tapping into there, just simply select your profile, which will be visible. Now after selecting your profile, you will just simply have to scroll down and you will get to see this option of Telegram Assistant link. Just simply tap into the link option right here and it will open your Telegram application. And now after opening your Telegram application, it will open this option of Bitget Assistant. Now you just simply have to tap to start and it will be started. Now you can easily set up your Bitget Assistant from this section. This way you can very easily link your Bitget account with your Telegram Bitget Assistant. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.